It won't be long before children head back to the classroom, and officials are urging parents to not forget one vital item on their back-to-school checklist: vaccines.
That's as Michigan sees a concerning drop in childhood vaccination rates. I spoke to health officials about why that is a problem.
Michigan's childhood vaccination rates are the lowest they've been since 2011.
A concerning thought as kids head back to school this year with only 66.5% vaccinated. That's for ages 19 months to 3 years, with the recommended dose of primary vaccines.
In more than half of the state, childhood vaccination rates have dropped below 70%. And we really talk about 70% as being the minimum to really provide herd immunity.
That means your kids are at an increased risk for diseases like measles, mumps, rubella, and more, something Veronica McNally knows all too well.
In 2012, I lost my infant daughter, Francesca Marie, to whooping cough, also known as pertussis.
Since then, she has founded the Franny Strong Foundation, urging people to get their vaccines.
So there are two things that I can tell you in no uncertain terms. The first is that these diseases are real and they circulate in our communities. And the second is that vaccines work and they are safe and effective.
According to state data, Oscoda and Keweenaw counties and the city of Detroit have the lowest vaccination rates in the state. Kent, Ottawa, and Muskegon counties have vaccination rates between 70 and 80%.
Just like the rest of the state, over the last 3 years, the rates of vaccines in especially younger kids under the age of 3 have steadily declined.
That's Ottawa County's medical director, Gwen Unzicker.
So vaccines are still the safest and most effective way to prevent getting severely sick and even dying from some of these diseases that we don't even hear about that much anymore.
Two possible reasons for the dip in vaccination rates are more parents skipping well checks for their kids and overall vaccine hesitancy, both things the state has seen increase since the pandemic.
There's a lot of misinformation and disinformation about vaccines out there.
Health officials say vaccines are safe and tested for your children and keep not only them safe, but all children around them too. You can learn more science-backed information about vaccines on ivaccinate.org. There's a link to that in this story on 13yourside.com.